Hello guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting your girl, and if you're new to the channel, karibu sana. In today's video, we are going to make the mokimo, which is a Kenyan cuisine that originated from the Kikuyu community. Mokimo implies squashed, which is an African interpretation of squashed potatoes. All the ingredients are listed down on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. To start off, we start by boiling our potatoes together with our maize, and ensure that the maize that you're using for mokimo is green maize, and if it's soft enough you can boil together the potatoes, but if it's a little bit hard you can boil it first and then you boil the potatoes later. I added salt, more water, and then covered it up and let it boil till the potatoes were soft enough for squashing. In another sufuria, or what other people may call it safuria, I added water and then added my spinach, and I'd call this baby spinach because they were literally the small spinaches that I plucked, from my garden. And you guys, I've seen people from the US saying or calling baby spinach. What's the difference between baby spinach and spinach that has just grown, like it's new and the leaves haven't matured and grown bigger? Kindly let me know in the comment section. So I let it boil until it was soft enough. In another sufuria, I added oil and let it heat, and then added my onions. So guys, just ignore the brown thingy on my sufuria. This is because my sufuria was light and the heat was too much for the sufuria. That's why it caused that brown thingy. But anyway, here I am just stirring the onions, and ensure your heat is on medium heat, and stir the onions to fry them, not to make them turn brown, because I believe with mokimo the onions should not be brown. This type of onions tastes much better in mokimo. Anyway, here I am adding garlic, then stirring it up until that mixture is well cooked. So guys, the secret ingredient to a tasty mokimo is the garlic. Garlic makes food taste much better and it has lots of benefit to the body. After that, I added coriander stems and then fried it for about 1 minute, and there, that was ready. Then took our boiled spinach, put it in the blender, added a little bit of water and then blended it. And now it's time to combine all our ingredients. I placed the fried onions, garlic and coriander into the potato maize mixture, and then added our blended spinach. And now mixing up everything and squashing it, and I used this kathingi. I thought it would be efficient, but it wasn't efficient enough, so I opted to use a mwiko. Then added a little bit of milk. This is optional. You can add anything that you like, whether it's milk or butter or both, or any other thing that you would love to spice the food up with. I chose to add coriander leaves and then give it a nice mix. And now our food is ready. This is what I chose to take it with. It was beef stew and it really slapped so hard. Anyway guys, this was the final product. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I hope you try this out and let me know how it goes for you in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.